and governance issues that affect our country. And we are inviting all our friends. We have heard and listened to all their demands. 4 of them. They want us to reconsider the reconstitution of IEBC. And we have said and we confirmed through the bipartisan parliamentary process, we are ready to engage on that. They want us to open servers. And we have told them those servers were opened in the Supreme Court. We have no key, but we have a key to open a discussion on how we recover the economic losses that we have made over the last 5 years, courtesy of the handshake and the handshake regime. They want us to reinstate the Cherera 4. It is unconstitutional. We have no means of doing things that are unconstitutional against our statutes and our constitution. I think the last thing I've heard is on the cost of living. Every day, the Deputy President, the President, and all of us in government are focused on implementation of the plan, the manifesto we sold to the people of Kenya to bring down the cost of living. We have heard them telling us that they want us to reinstate the subsidies that were there before the elections. And I want to ask our brother Raila Odinga, the Minister of Agriculture in the former regime, under the handshake regime, Peter Munya, a month before the elections, announced to the country that the maize subsidy was not sustainable, and they withdrew it. How do you want us to reinstate what Peter Munya, Uhuru Kenyatta, and yourself, you said was unsustainable? The Auditor General, the Controller of Budget, have told us that all those subsidies were ridden with corruption. And we have told you we will not re-engage the cartels of state capture. We will not continue feeding the cartels. And Archbishop, thank you. In your short word, you have told us that this oil here will break altars, will break curses. Archbishop, I want to tell you, even in this government, there are altars of state capture that we have purpose to break, and we shall break them. There are altars of corruption through subsidies for consumption that we must break, and we shall break them. Kwa hivyo, Mheshimiwa Naibu wa Rais, ile kazi wewe na Rais mmetupea.